Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Ho, Ho, Ong, O-N-G. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next Reels is found here in the Philippines, and this acronym or abbreviation is not an ordinary acronyms, and it has uh, two-digit numbers. It's a code numbers. So this is the first time that I will encounter abbreviations or acronyms with numbers. What is this all about? This is found in Asia. It's a combination. It can be Philippines is part of Asia, although there are some in Southeast, there are some in Far East, but this is found only in the Philippines, and it has its own code number. What is this abbreviation and code number I'm referring to? Okay, I'm referring to AH26. Yes, you hear it right. AH26. What is this all about? AH26 stands for Asian Highway 26. What is this all about? Why is it's called Asian Highway 26? Because there are actually three. It was confirmed. I already investigate and check it. If you heard AH1, that is in Japan. AH2 is in Thailand. So that is in Southeast Asia. But although in the Philippines, AH26, meaning if the capital is in Manila, it is in, start with Manila. So meaning Manila, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Road highway. So from Manila, it will start. So it will start from Manila to Lawag. That is in Ilocos Norte. Next is Leyte, Samar. Okay. The other one is from Lucena to Calawag. So that is in Quezon Province. Straight. Then Davao to Zamboanga. That is in Mindanao. So that's the meaning. And by the way, before I say goodbye, this is I would like to inform this is a paid promotion label. So this one you can promote it nationwide, all over the Philippines. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.